Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2011 Ford Expedition and I will show you how you can set up your own personal keyless entry code, and I will show you a couple of hidden features as well. This video applies to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. To set up your own personal code, first you need to know your factory code. Now, if you don't know one, I made a video on the location of it and how to find it, so the link to that video is in the description. So watch that video first, get your factory code, and then you can come back to this video and set up your own personal code. Okay, before starting, it's a good idea to leave the window open just in case, and the vehicle has to be locked. Okay, to start, first type in your factory code. Once you've done that, press 1, 2. Now the system is in learning mode, and now press the new code. And now wait for like 5 seconds. Okay, the vehicle will lock and unlock, and that means the programming is done. Now you can lock the vehicle and try your new code. Okay, it's locked. And as you can see, my new code works. Now I will show you a couple of cool hidden features. So once you unlock your vehicle with the code, if you press 3, 4, that's gonna unlock all of the doors on the vehicle. 5, 6 is gonna open the tailgate, and if you press 7, 8 and 9, 0 together, it's gonna lock all the door on the vehicle. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.